Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
Kirang yelek kai kickboxing bakun tupru ia kawai ke samla ki balami khmat ia ke jela Meghalaya Shakalumpung yelek kai India Senior National Kickboxing Championship Arjar Khatpra kabalalong hasorba Kolkata kilawan ra ia ke nam ke burom Shaka jela dakabayok khur hadu khat khandai teli ki takma bakun tup ya sauteli ki takma ksiar santeli ki takma rupa bat shipoteli ki takma renong. Kini kirang yelek kai kibala yokhur ya ketak maksiar nagani Kalumpung kilong Marshal Mauyong bat open shramiki Rabon kibaya khon haga kerdan low kick senior man kat bau hame shania suyam ubalong uwei na kirang yakura ba paukmat bha na kejela bar Vishal Rai Sampang kila khurbiang ya ka nam job da kabayo ya ka tak maksiar jong ka point fighting senior man bar haga kerdan full contact senior man. Kat bagi weipat kirang ya kun gidei gibla yokhur ya katak marupa marnang. Nagani Kalumpung ya Rebecca Marwin kabadai tang makahi ke samla kentai kabla khmat ya kejela kala yora ya ke nam job da kabay yokhur ya katak marnang ha ka kerdan ya kun light senior women. Ya kini kirang yelek kai bat ya kini ke samla ya kura lapriang burok ka nyu tarik unok pra Arjar Khatpra dakinong ya lam jongga Meghalaya State Kickboxing Association ha ka balai don langru u Dr. Jemino Mauto ubalong u Kongsan.
I would like to congratulate you for this achievement, and I hope that you will continue, to make more progress. Dr. Vikash had said that now you're competing in the national level. Maybe in the coming years you will be also participating in the international level. You never know. And if you can win at the national level, why can't you also win at the international level? So you need to prepare yourself. The way is open now. IOC has recognized this sport, and I hope that the government, like I said, the center, the state, will give the necessary support to the organizers and also to the sport and to all those who are participating in this event, who are associated with the sport. And I hope that in the days and years to come, you will be able to do much more.